When you approach localization in your business or organization, it can be helpful to frame your approach into three simple questions. Why, where, and what? First, ask yourself why you want to localize. Imagine it's your website. Why do you want to localize your website? Are you trying to sell directly to a new set of markets or to establish brand credibility in a certain market? It's a fundamental question that will shape the rest of your localization process. Take some time to write out what your end goal is. From here, you will be able to see why localization might make sense. Once you know why you want to localize, it's time to understand where your target locales will be. You might consider your web analytics or other market analysis and where the biggest swaths of your users reside. Considering your resources, decide which of these markets will have the biggest impact if you localize content for them. Now, for what to localize? You likely have more than just a website. You have your product itself, support documentation, maybe some marketing material. Localizing everything, or at least using the same localization approach for all your content, is rarely the answer. Instead, you'll want to go back to your why and think strategically about what goals you're after. There are different levels of effort you can put into localizing each type of content, depending on what's most important. Maybe it's not necessary to localize everything. Take some time to reflect and decide what the most important content is to you and how it fits into your goals. This is the content you likely need to put the most effort into localizing. Even if you localize your landing page website, your product, and support documentation, you might not have the need or ability to put the same level of effort into each one. Deciding on the level of localization for each type of content may be influenced by your budget. If you have a strict budget, it makes more sense to allocate a higher amount to localizing your landing page, having it translated and reviewed by professional linguists, while supplementary documentation can be translated by a machine translation engine and post-edited by a freelance translator. Taking budget and localization needs into account, you can ensure the highest possible quality of content for your target markets without going over budget or putting in unnecessary effort. The why, where, and what framework is a useful tool for ensuring you'll get the results you want from your localization process.